Very first thing we're going to do is rotate the head 180 so he's looking the opposite direction. Fold this up, it'll just snap into place right there. Open these up, rotate this right there so this fake window and that fake light section is facing in like so. Hold on, right. Get it like that right there. What you want to do is untab the back part right there, collapse in, it'll just tab in right there. Probably mentioned it's a little hard trying to get that tabbed in. You also want to tab it into there, but I have a hard time trying to do it because it's made out of soft plastic. Then just move that piece out right there, then come here to the legs right here. We're going to move the feet down like this, rotate them like that right there. Again, do it on this side right here, rotate it like this right here, then just collapse them in like so. You might want to move this out of the way. Hold on. Stand back. What you want to do next is move this up right here. Just collapse that in and that leg just popped off. You want to have the leg right this right here. What you want to do next is take this piece right here and just pull that in. It'll tab into this. The foot will tab into this little groove right here. Just tab. It just tabs in there like so. Hold on if I can get it tabbed in. I think. Hold on. We have to cut away real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna cut away real quick. This next part can be a little difficult. You just want to like get the leg underneath this little part right there, but it's a little fiddly to do. I got it on this side right here. If I can, hold on. Let me cut away real quick. Okay, I got it in there finally. As you can see, then just untab the waist right there. We'll just then rotate it like this the opposite way. Again, that's supposed to stay stationary, but it moves like that on mine. Just rotate like that if it happens again. Last thing you want to do is you want to move the arms right here so they line up with that red part. Then just collapse them in so they'll tab in and just line up. And this piece you want to just move in right there. It'll just interlock with the piece right there if I can. If I can do this off camera. Oh wait, there we go. I got it in there. Let's try this part right here again. Just move that, bend the arm like that so the red lines up. Just move it on the double hinge right there. Just get that in right there to this little piece right there, and just hold on. There we go. Just get that tabbed in like so, and there we have Studio Series Ratchet back in his ambulance mode.